Good morning, Jocelyn.
Hi.
Let's go find Elfie. Today's Sunday, December 13th.
13. Look behind you.
What's behind me?
Elfie.
Oh, wow. Come. Oh, hi, silly girl, Elfie. Good morning. Oh, looks like he didn't turn on the TV all by himself.
Yes.
He put on a Christmas movie. That was Donald Duck's Christmas. You want to watch that?
Yeah.
You want some breakfast?
Oh.
Let's go make some breakfast, all right? Hey guys, right now we're about to open up our advent calendars. Jasmine's having a lot of fun in the bouncy house right there. And we're just gonna see what's on day number 13 right here, Jasmine. That's Kaden. Wow, it looks like it's one of those little kits, but that looks like it's
It's a stocking.
a stocking. Oh, it looks like a stocking. It looks like it's something to decorate a stocking. And which one is on your day, Jasmine?
Okay.
You also have that. So yeah, they got two little stocking sets. Pretty cute. Now they're gonna go have fun in the bouncy house because it's another beautiful day in December today. Came to the park. Come to mommy. We came to the park to enjoy the day. Beautiful day. Follow daddy. Are you enjoying the day, Jasmine?
Yes.
Hi.
It's just the way back is so hot. Hey guys, we're at the lake.
We're at the lake taking a little walk. Who came with you? Show me.
Pip and Freddie and Pip and Freddie.
Cool, and that's Kaden. Kaden, who's with you? Mickey. And today's a beautiful day. We just came out to enjoy the day.
Oh, I found a stick.
You found a stick?
It's a giant stick.
That's my sweet boy. Did you take a nap in the car? You did it. You did it. Good job.
And look,
The water looks so nice. Yeah, it does.
Yeah, look, connected. I see the ducks far away.
Oh yes, I do see ducks. There are the ducks.
Oh, look, the water looks so pretty.
Yeah.
There's a waterfall.
Yeah, there's a waterfall right there. Really cool.
Far away.
Hi guys. Justin, you got tired?
Yeah.
Hi Daddy.
Hi.
She's not too heavy. Wow, Jaslyn, what a ride. Oh. Wow. Daddy's so strong, right, Jaslyn? Let's go up the trail. This is very steep. Yes, we are. We made it. Daddy, how's your back? Show me, what's that?
That's a green pretty little leaf.
That's so cool. Let's walk this trail.
That was a steep hill. I'm looking for stuff at this trail. I'm looking for stuff that are beautiful at this trail.
Let's go with Daddy.
Let's go back down because
What are you getting?